Hi, Chris here for Tech and welcome to the channel where today it's all about Excel for beginners. And this is lesson 1, so let's get started now. Do not worry if your Excel does not look exactly like this, as depending on the size of your screen. For example here, you can see a lot is going on at once. But once I minimize this using the button here on the top right corner, you can see less. Also, depending on the version of your Excel, it could be from 2007 or even it might be 2019. Although they might look different, they have mostly the same layout. So if it's the first time you just got it open, it will be difficult but not impossible to get around. Since I'm here, let me help you. As we have established, the fundamentals for most parts will remain the same. Once you open the workbook, you will see this whole part here is called the ribbon. And with this, you can access different categories. Here, for example, you are on the Home tab. And those tabs contains each a group-related command for you to complete the work. Additionally, the ribbon panel also provides screen tips that you can activate when you hover it like so. You can see the descriptive text appears. It is also known as a screen tips. So, in the ribbon, we have the following tabs. We have the Home tab that helps you perform formatting and perform clipboard operations such as cut, copy and paste, and modifying your worksheets too. After that, next to it we have the Insert tab, which helps us to insert objects such as table, chart, media, symbol, hyperlink and related preset text. The next one will be the page layout. This tab is about the document formatting and helps us specify the page setting layout, as well as the orientation, the margin, and other related options such as theme and grid lines. This one is followed by the Formula tab. Don't be worried here, as this tab will later help us to work easily with formulas, functions, and calculations. After that, we have the Data tab. As the name suggests, this tab will help us with the data-related tasks, such as setting up a connection with external data source and importing data to use with Excel worksheets. As well, you can also create lists. This is followed by the Review tab that helps in accessing tools that can be used for reviewing your Excel worksheet. It also enables you to insert comments, ensure that the language used in the worksheet is correct, and convert it to a different language as well. Lastly, it allows you to share and protect your workbook or your worksheets. Lastly, we have the View tab that allows us to view or to review a worksheet in a different format. In addition, it provides options to show or hide the element of a worksheet window, such as a ruler or the grid lines. You will say, but Chris, there is 2 more tabs. What are they? Well, those 2 last tabs actually are the Developer and the Habit PDF1 Plus. Those tabs can be added or enabled later. They won't be activated or enabled in your case. But if you want to know more, let me know in the comment down below and I will show you what type of additional tasks you can achieve with those. But let's not get ahead of ourselves here, as there is already plenty with what we just saw. Another thing good to know is if you want any information regarding Excels, even if like me this one is not supported, you simply have to press F1 and this will pop up. Then you just have to add in your question and type enter. There it is. So if this is your first time looking at Excel, I do think that this is already a lot for you to assimilate. But not to worry, I will continue the series slowly, of course, in order for you to follow. That is it for today. Thank you for watching the video. And just to let you know, I started a Patreon where, if you want, you can support me. And again, if you enjoy it, you know what to do. You can do your YouTube things, like, if you want to, subscribe, you may as well. Or you can also press the bell icon if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. However, if you do not like this video, simply leave a comment down below and tell me why it's so. I will try to do it for you guys. Stay safe and bye now!